Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chrome being slow. Also, if you want to know how to be more productive online, make sure to check our free productivity resources below and also sign up for our free productivity newsletter. But now let's see how to fix Google Chrome being slow. So if you open the Google Chrome, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Here, scroll down to Settings. The first thing you can do is find the option that says Privacy and Security, and here it can be seen a Delete Browsing Data option. Click on it and check in cached images and files and also cookies and other site data. Select the time range to all the time and delete data. Another option is check there is a new Google Chrome update. For this, scroll down to About Google Chrome, and if there is any new update, it will be seen here. Plus information, too many open tabs can slow down also Google Chrome, so close tabs you aren't using. Alright, so all in all, this is how to fix Google Chrome being slow. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Make sure to check out our AI productivity prompt database that you can download for free and which contains over 1,100 plus AI prompts that can help you to improve your personal and work productivity. Also, we have a free weekly productivity newsletter that you can sign up for below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post, which you can also find in the video description below.